Hej og velkommen til studiet i Bangladesh. Sheila er en pige på 12 år. Hun bor med sine 2 brødre på 2 og 4 år, Okora og Suma. Hendes far er meget syg. Han lider af blodprop i lungerne, og hendes mor døde, da hun fødte Okora. Så Sheila har ikke et andet valg end at passe de 2 brødre og hendes far selv. For at få penge til at overleve, samler hende og hendes brødre skrald på gaden. Hello, Sheila.
Hello.
What are your thoughts about child labor?
I think it's horrible. Children should go to school and not work.
How many hours do you work a day?
I work from 9 to 7, so it is 10 hours.
Are you worried about your brothers?
Yes, I am very worried because I don't want to see them getting sick, and I want to see them get a good job, get a good education. So yes, I'm worried.
Do you go to school?
No, I don't go to school. I have gone to school, but my mom died, so I couldn't go to school because we needed money, and yes, so I don't go to school.
Do you want to go to school?
Yes, that's my biggest dream. I love school. When I was going to school, I loved it because I learned a lot, but now I can't.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a doctor.
A doctor? What kind of doctor?
I want to be a child doctor because I want to help people. I don't want to see people suffer. I want to help my brothers when they're sick. I love helping people.
That sounds interesting. Thank you for coming, Sheila.
Thank you for having me. It was a pleasure to talk to you.